At Willamette, we want all students to feel seen as individuals. As we strive to be an inclusive community, Willamette has implemented a series of enhancements to administrative systems that allow students and employees to indicate their preferred name, pronouns, and gender identity if they choose to do so. At the same time, there are some areas of WU which must default to legal names. If you do nothing, everything will default to your legal name. This video will show you how to express your preferences. We suggest you do this after you have your WU email activated, but also before you arrive in the US, so that things like class rosters will be updated by the first day of classes. All WU campuses utilize this system for these processes, so you can do this if you are studying in Salem or at PNCA. Before we show you how to make these changes, it might help to know which WU systems use name, pronoun, and gender identity information. The webpage Name, Pronoun, and Gender Identity Changes and Information can be found by going to willamette.edu and then searching its entire title. Searching for even just part of the title will allow you to find the webpage as well. For example, we have just searched the word pronoun, which brought us to the full page in the results. Once you've entered your search, you can select a link that takes you to the informational website. Once you've opened the page, you will be able to read information about topics like preferred names, pronouns, and gender identity. Along with that, you will be able to see different locations within Willamette's system where preferred names and pronouns are used versus locations where they are not used. You will see the list of areas where each type of name is used, and some of these might not yet be familiar to you. For example, preferred names will appear in the Willamette email system and on class rosters, while legal names are used in financial and billing systems, the emergency broadcast system, and the campus health center systems. Willamette systems that use your preferred pronoun information include course and grade rosters, the campus health center, housing, work-related systems, and Zoom. Finally, gender identity information is used by the housing director. One other system that is expected to indicate gender identity in the future is Medicat, the Bishop Wellness Center platform where you update your health history and immunizations. The best path for changing preferred name and pronouns in the Willamette system is through Sage. This can be done by first clicking the link titled Sage at the top of the name, pronoun, and gender identity changes and information page. It may prompt you to sign in, and you should do so. Once on the Sage site, click on the button in the top right corner that says your Willamette username and select User Profile. Once you are on the profile page, you will be able to click the button that says Edit Personal Identity. Once you have clicked this button, you can make alterations to either your preferred name or pronouns. These changes will reflect in the Willamette system.